Can you really taste the difference between a $206 versus $13 breakfast burrito? Today, we're breaking down the ingredients, cooking methods, and ultimate flavor test to find out if premium ingredients make a difference. Stick around for the results. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, I'm comparing a gourmet $206 breakfast burrito to a budget-friendly $13 version, analyzing what sets them apart in taste, texture, and quality. Let's get started. First up, ingredient comparison. The 206 burrito is packed with premium ingredients like handmade tortillas, pasture-raised eggs, Wagyu beef sausage, truffle-infused cheese, and specialty spices. On the other hand, the $13 burrito uses simple, accessible ingredients like store-bought tortillas, regular eggs, ground pork sausage, cheddar cheese, and everyday seasonings. Does price make a difference? Let's find out. Next, let's talk cooking techniques. For the gourmet method, I'm making handmade flour tortillas using a blend of lard and specialty flour for extra softness. I also have house-made longanisa, a Filipino-style sausage with a perfect balance of sweet and savory, and slow-roasted tomatoes blended into a Thai-inspired Nam Prik Pao salsa. For the budget method, I'm using pre-made tortillas warmed on a skillet, packaged sausage cooked with simple seasoning, and a quick homemade salsa using everyday ingredients. Now let's move on to additional toppings and flavors. The gourmet add-ons include garlic fried rice with seared Maytake mushrooms, banana blossoms, and a house-made cilantro lime aioli. The budget add-ons are standard scrambled eggs, canned beans, and shredded cheese. Time for assembly and cooking style. For the gourmet version, each component is layered strategically for balance, wrapped in a soft tortilla, and deep-fried to a crispy chimichanga finish. The budget version uses a simple folding technique with a lightly toasted exterior. Taste, test, and verdict time. The gourmet burrito offers layers of deep, complex flavors with rich umami and texture contrasts. The budget burrito is simple, hearty, and satisfying. So, is the premium burrito worth the extra cost? Now you know the difference between a $206 versus $13 breakfast burrito. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert food comparisons. Want to see more budget versus gourmet food battles? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert taste tests and cooking breakdowns.